at the visitor center, and as you can see, they have everything broken down by regions and also by things that you can do. So there's brochures, coupons, books, and everything you might want to figure out doing. There's shows, zip lining, things for young kids, older kids, adults, and aquariums, Anarchista we did last year. That was so much fun. We went to the top of this tower on the mountain aquarium. There's Ripley's, believe it or not. They have dragons at the aquarium. And then just guides that have coupons and tell you all about the areas. They also have a little bit about history here too, so if you have interest in history, they have like a shadow box and some information, because located in Bristol. Bristol is actually at the border of is actually in Virginia and Tennessee. Some information about the Tennessee Civil War, and they also have a little bit of seating. It actually used to be bigger, but now they've added, since last year when we were here, this large sound device, and on the other side it has a you hover and can connect stars.